Racing Jazz is started with Parisian Life. Break quickly to start. Moving up now on the outside. Sabi ko na running by the rail now is Neferuri. Rushing up is a runway 10. Donya Leoncia comes next. Alongside comes Majestic Star. Racing down the backstretch with the fast is stepping Parisian Life on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Right behind in second now is a runway 10. Then moving up is Neferuri. Rushing up now at the outside is Donya Leoncia. Sabi ko na Majestic Star. Sing a new song comes next is Snow White, then followed now by number 9 Freedom Lover, while Batangkan Kalu now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Parisian Life is still in control by our length and a half, and in second Neferuri. Moving up on the outside is Donya Leoncia, then followed by Runway 10, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Parisian Life by our length and a half, and on the outside second is Neferuri. Moving up on the outside now is Donya Leoncia. Last 100 meters we have Parisian Life. Neferuri is on the outside, and finally it's Parisian Life. Neferuri, Donya Leoncia, and comes Majestic Star. Batangkan Kalu, Runway 10.